Hello, my name is Rimas and welcome to my YouTube channel. Right, today we're gonna talk about how to make GIF. I've been doing Instagram for quite a few years now, as you can see on my thing here. And every time I try to be more creative and, try to do more unique things. And one of the things these days I came across was like how to make a GIF of myself, like swipe up or like this, like that, or like those ones. Look. What do you think? So yeah, what I'm gonna do in this video today is gonna be more like a tutorial, and I'm gonna try to show you an easy way how to make, turn yourself into a GIF. So enough talking, let's get to the business, and then I'm just gonna show you step by step what you have to do. First of all, what you have to do is try to record yourself in a very good quality if possible, like a very good natural light, not much background if possible. I try to do my ones, the one here, you can see them with the background, so you can see the wardrobe, you can see the door. I did that actually on purpose because I wanted to see how good these GIFs will turn to be, So I just try to have like a messy background, but I do advise you to do it on a plain wall or maybe a clean sky if you can, but it's not necessary. You can do it inside the house, it's fine, as long as you have good lighting. I mean, you to be like proper good lighting. So just make your GIFs like those ones, right? Try to show something like pointing down or pointing on one side, or I don't know, show things like you're crazy, or I don't know, like those ones. Record yourself for about 15 seconds each video you want to turn into GIF. So once you've done that and you have all the videos saved in your phone, then what you have to do is you have to go to this website, which is called unscreen.com. So basically you go onto that website and then you upload your video one by one. Once your video is uploading, what you have to do is just wait until it's creating your video, without the background. That's the first step. So don't rush, let it finish to 100. And then once that is done, what you have to do next is you go down and there is a download. So on download thing, you don't press save, you just press GIF. And then it's gonna process again one more time, turning your video into a GIF. Once you've done that, you'll see the message to download. Don't download, just press view, and then you'll be able to actually see the video. The GIF, Now, what you have to do, long press or hold into the GIF you've made, like in the video show, and then just do add to your photos, right? Like you save in your phone. Now, what you have to do, go into photos, and then just check to make sure the GIF is there and it's working. Once it's working, you are ready now to upload the GIF on your stories, like for Instagram, for instance. So let's do here an example how you can do it. I'm gonna just log myself into my Instagram right now, and I'm gonna try to actually add that GIF to my story. So I'm gonna just share my own picture and just customize a little bit if you want to. Then what you have to do, go back into your photos and then select the GIF you want to use, and then press copy photo, and then you'll import automatically into your story. It should be doing that. And then just resize the GIF himself. Just resize it as you think it suits your own style. So you can add text like swipe up, or you can add a link if you want to, or whatever, but you can add any text you want. So yeah, you can add more stickers or GIFs into the same video, like the one I'm doing right now. So it's the second one, me pointing at myself, which I think is quite funny. And you can use these kind of GIFs if you have like a new photo, and then you can say like a, you know, fresh or new, whatever, then you put yourself and then you have a GIF of yourself laughing at yourself. I think it can be like a bit, you know, cheesy, but at the same time I think it's quite unique and cool, I would say. Or imagine this, when someone celebrates their birthday, then you can do a story to say, oh, I'm so happy that it's your birthday today, whatever, and then you just add your GIF into that story, and then just point at the picture of that person, say, oh, happy birthday you. Or I don't know, I think it's quite cool to do such things. So yeah, this is my tutorial for you guys today, how to make yourself a GIF, and not just only yourself, you can do your dad, your mom, whoever. I think it's quite nice and easy. I hope this tutorial helps you to do your own GIFs, and then please leave your comments below, and then if you've made one of yourself, and then you can have a link of it, just place the link down below in comments, and I'll be more than happy to, you know, have a look and see how you've done your artwork. Let me know if you like this video, let me know if you want more videos like those ones, and then I'm gonna try to be more creative and show you more easy steps how to do crazy things. Thanks for watching today, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, please follow me on my Instagram, follow me on my TikTok account, and thank you again for being here with me, and please like, share, do whatever you like, and all I can say for today is stay safe and make your GIF.